Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Audrey Mika here with her beautiful song called Alive. This is a new song, and we have 5 different chords here to handle, but actually this is more of a picking pattern song, so let's start. First, just for purpose of teaching here, we can go through the different chords that this picking pattern here is based on and see what they looks like. So first off, the F here, and we don't need any capo here, forgot to mention that. So an F here, you need to bar the first fret here, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, 2nd on the G. Then we move on to the A minor. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then the G chord, so 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then the D minor, so open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And the final chord is the C. So 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, open E. Yeah, those are the chords, and as I mentioned, we will not use that much of a full chord grip in this song. A little bit later, but most of the song is a picking pattern here. So let's start with this. It's based on the F, A minor, and G, and that's how the song goes. So let's start in this position. You can grab the full chord if you wish, but the only thing you will need for the F chord here is the E, the G, and the B string here. So you can start in the position with 1st fret here on the E string, bass, and then 2nd fret here on G, and 1st fret on the B. So you hit these strings together one time, so E, G, and B, and then you move on 4 more times with the G and B together. So in total 5 times, so it will be. Then comes this A minor part. So you can play just the open A together with the same grip here, 2nd on G and 1st on B. Hit those 3 strings together one time and 2 times more with the GB. So far, F and A minor sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So. And then we move to the G here. So that means you hit the 3rd fret here on the E string, bass, and the rest will be G and B open strings. So first one time all 3 strings together, and then 4 more times with G and B open. Then you add the 3rd here on the E string and play that together with the open B string one time. Then back to open B and G. And the last is 1st on B and open G. So the G parts slowly will be. Yeah, so that is the first round of the F, A minor, and G. The second round will be back again to the same grip with F here. So first here you're gonna play the E, the G, and B together, and then 4 more times with the GB, exactly the same way as the first time. So, and A minor is still the same. A, G, and B, open A, and then just GB 2 times. And on the G here, it will start in the same way. So third on E and the open G, B one time, and then 5 more times open G, B. 3, 4, 5. And then you hit the open G together with the first B 2 times. So we went through 2 rounds of the F, A minor and G. It will shift a little bit between the second round and the fourth round in the end, and that is where the G, there's the shift there. So we went through 2 times here. The third time will be exactly in the same way as number 1. So and the fourth time will be start in the same way with F and A minor, and the G here will change a little bit. It will be third here on the E together with the G and B in the same way here. You hit those 3 strings together 1 time, then you hit 5 more rounds with the open G and B, and on the last 2 it will be open B together with the 5th E 1 time, and open B together with the 3rd E 1 time. So if you think this pattern as 4 rounds, so the first and the third round will be like this. Sorry. And the second round will be and the fourth round will be so that is actually how the song goes through and through. There's kind of no choruses here, only kind of verses. So there's no need for me to explain how many times, because this goes round and round and round. So it changes a little bit just on the G here, how it ends, and that's the difference here. But we also have kind of a bridge here in the song, and it starts almost in the end here, where she sings better today than I was only yesterday. So it's yeah, it's the part like yeah, to sing just to illustrate where we are. Better today, that's the lyrics here. So here you can play just 1 downstroke for each chord. So here is where we need those other chords. So it starts with the D minor. So better today, and then comes the C, and then comes the G, and there's an A minor there. So D minor to C to G to A minor. And then 1 more time. And we are I need. And then it goes 1 more round of this. So I've already made up my mind. So over again there. C, G, and A minor. D minor, C. And the song just ends there. So D minor to C to G to A minor, D minor to C to G. 2 rounds of this, and that's the final of this song. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, this is a great song, so really do your practice here to get this picking pattern. Give me a thumb up if you like this one, and give me a comment if you wish. Don't forget, play tune.